Hi there, students. Lightheaded. Okay, lightheaded is an adjective. Lightheadedly, an adverb. Lightheadedness, the noun for the quality. Okay, you know sometimes when you've been sitting down or squatting down and you suddenly stand up and you feel, ooh, that's lightheaded. Yeah? You feel as if you're going to lose your balance. You feel weak. After a couple of glasses of beer, he felt a little bit lightheaded as he hadn't eaten all day. Okay, so lightheaded, rather dizzy, yeah, a bit giddy as well, unsteady on your feet. He was so happy at passing his proficiency exam that he felt lightheaded, yeah? Or she felt lightheaded with relief when she discovered that her brother was okay. Okay, so if you're lightheaded, yeah, maybe you're ill or maybe you've drunk too much alcohol, yeah? If you don't have breakfast in the morning, sometimes you can feel a bit lightheaded, yeah, a bit giddy, a bit woo. And this is the idea of lightheaded. Let's see, you can also use lightheaded to mean thoughtless, frivolous, yeah. He made some very lightheaded decisions. Without thinking about it, without being careful, without being prudent. Although I think the dizzy meaning is much more common. I think a lightheaded decision, it's certainly possible. The lightheadedness of his decision was due to the fact that he felt lightheaded. Okay, so I think it's much more common to use lightheaded talking about dizziness, vertigo, when you feel rather giddy, you feel a bit woozy, your mind isn't very clear. Okay, so I lightheadedly walked towards the chair and sat down. Okay, I lightheadedly walked about the place trying to calm myself down. Notice lightheaded. I think most commonly up with a hyphen, a hyphenated word, but I think you could also write this as one word. Yeah. But both are possible. Okay, so yeah, when you've got a fever, you feel a bit lightheaded. Your head's light. You're not thinking properly. Okay, so let's see. Lightheaded, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use it informally, definitely. Use it semi-formally as well. Maybe something very formal, probably not. And then as to origin, well, your head is light. It's like it's floating in the air. Yeah, so lightheaded. And yeah, if you feel lightheaded, you feel like you're floating in the air. Okay, so lightheaded. Yeah, maybe you have a drop in blood pressure. Ooh, and you feel lightheaded, faint, dizzy. Yeah, I felt lightheaded from running so much. And then also to make a rash decision without thinking about things carefully. Yeah, being carelessly imprudent, heedlessness, mindlessness. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Lightheaded.